Hello everyone, this is KK Channel. Today I would like to show you about the Creative 2.0. Here we're going to jump to the mode that called Desert Domination.
Zone A lost. Zone captured. The zone has been captured.
I've been playing this for like past couple of rounds. I actually do like it. I do see that there's a lot of potential to this one. The graphic is completely different. We have completely new mechanic in Fortnite. It kind of looks like the Call of Duty, but the move looks like the Call of Duty because like you're going to dominate different points and different parts of the map, but not going to actually play Call of Duty. This is Fortnite. So there's going to be different mechanics, everything's going to be totally different. There's a guy up there, it's so annoying. I'm just going to go over there and see. Let's go up there and see if we can find this guy.
Zone C is an enemy and Zone A under attack.
Heavy sniper here.
Zone B and Zone B under siege.
Not great. I'm just gonna camp right here. Not that I'm a camper, but I'm just gonna camp right here. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna go down there. I like more engaging situation.
Enemy capturing Zone B.
This thing is so exciting that I can barely talk.
To capture Zone C.
I like the fact that we are getting to play as a group and like you're just gonna pair up with random people and then we're going to fight as a group for the same goals. Epic really did not have such a thing. Okay, this guy's trying to snipe me. Oh no, I'm not still used to the fact that there are mine. Yep. I just missed my sniping. The loadouts are pre-made. You can now create your loadouts, and that's all about it. Thank you so much, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe.